This video will go through the workflow to retrieve data from Tracker and publish it on ROS2 Topics. For these steps, we will be using the OPT4 Smart ROS2 Vicon receiver GitHub page created by the University of Bologna. Please find the link in the video description. This GitHub page allows you to publish real-time poses and TF data from Tracker into ROS2 Topics for robotics applications. The requirements for this workflow are the following. It has been tested with Tracker 4. You need to have your Windows PC connected to a live system or have some offline data loaded in Tracker. And you need to have ROS2 Jazzy that has already been installed on your Linux PC. First, we need to have both our Windows PC that has Tracker software and the Linux PC where ROS2 has been installed on the same network. For this example, we will have a physical connection between the two PCs and static IP addresses set to each of the two ports. If you want more information about this, please refer to the video on how to use the DSSDK on a Linux. We can now start the steps from the ROS2 Vicon receiver GitHub page README file. So first, we create a workspace directory and change the path in the terminal to that folder. Then we can clone the repository into src. Then source all packages in the command terminal. Install ROS2 dependencies. Build the workspace with Calkin. Source the overlay so your shell sees the build package. Launch the client. You can adjust the parameters to your setup, but these are the default values. If you're using a different IP address, you will need to enter it here. In my case, I am using 10.10.10.2, so I will change it for that. After running the last line, you will see the connection show up under Connections in Tracker. I will now briefly demonstrate how to open RViz and visualize the object we are tracking from Tracker 4. RViz is a visualization tool for ROS2. It can display many types of data published by ROS nodes, such as the position and orientation, coordinate frames, markers, and more. After opening another terminal to keep our connection active with Tracker, we can source our packages in our new terminal and write RViz2, which will automatically open it. And then we can play around and add the TF and the name. And as you can see, there is a lot of different functions and visualization that you can do with this tool.